Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a brand new 2016 Forest River Stealth Evo 2050. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Brand new floor plan, lightweight and super roomy, 2 slide outs in living room, island kitchen with tons of storage and counters, wrap-around dinette, queen bed, big private bath, glass shower enclosure, electric stab jacks makes setting up a breeze, outside speakers, DVD player, duct air conditioning, half-ton towable. Come see the all-new Evos today. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.